Good day everyone, welcome to Cad-Cafe. On this tutorial, I'll be taking you on how to scale entities. Okay, so how to increase the size of a shape or sketch. So this is what you do. Okay, so you quickly, after you have done your sketch, of course, like what you've seen in the graphic area here, you simply click on the sketch, scale entity, and then let's assume we want to scale these two properties. All right, so and then you scale it about this point, right? So you can see already that this and this 2.2 means let me use 2. Okay. All right. So it means to increase this circle 2 times, increase this other one 2 times. Okay. About this point. All right. So you could see that. All right. So let me select the point again. Okay. So all right. I can move the point to this point. All right. So you could see that this is about. So I may choose to increase the ratio of which I'm telling it to scale it to. So this obviously is telling me you're actually telling the SolidWorks to increase the circle by 2.9. All right, 2.9 whatever unit it is, so just increase by 2.9. So this will be 2.9 times the radius. Okay, about this point. All right. So this of course is this circle is 2.9 times the radius. Okay, that's taken from the middle point here, right? So and then you're shifting it away from this particular point. Okay, so that is what it means. Okay, so that is all what you need to know about scaling. Okay, so you can actually increase it to whatever dimension you want. All right, and you may also want to shift this point to another point. Okay, so that's up to you. All right, so that is all about scaling. All right, on next year I'll be taking you through on how to stretch your entities. Thank you very much.